So on Wellington's website, we're now offering a feature where you can do a multi-buy. Basically, you just choose the products that you're interested in, fill in a form, and that will be submitted to one of the salesmen who will work you out the very best discount price and then send you the pricing back. Now, this is for 3 or more items. So I've already put 2 items in my basket. I've decided to have a tumble dryer and a dishwasher. So if I now go in to buy myself a Bosch washing machine, I can just go into freestanding washing machines, or if I know the product code, I can start to enter it in the search bar. But I want a Bosch and I want this one, the WN28285. I click on the product, and as I scroll down, it says add to multi-buy. Now it does say buying 3 or more items, use the multi-buy function. So I'll click on there. It says it's been added to my multi-buy cart. So now by returning to the top, here is the multi-buy icon. And there we are with my washing machine, my tumble dryer and my dishwasher. So let's go to the multi-buy basket and have a look. Yep, that's the correct product. Correct dishwasher and washing machine. So I just come down and I put in basic information, my first and last name, telephone number, email address, and where you'd like it delivered to, because there are some restrictions on areas. And then also, would you like us to install or just remove and recycle an old one, unpack it, whatever you need. You can tick on the boxes or you can comment in the bar. Once you submit this multi-buy quote request, it'll go off to one of our salespeople and they will come back to you during working hours within 2 hours. Obviously, if we're closed, it would be within 2 hours of the store being reopened. But it's a really nice feature, and it's a way to make sure that if you're buying 3 items or more, you're guaranteed the best price that Wellingtons can offer you. So that's it. It's the multi-buy, 3 or more items, super simple. Give it a try.